What's up?
Uptown Swing.
Level 4. West Coast swing inspiration. Neither of us do West Coast swing. But that's Hannah.
This is Brian.
And today, Hannah walked us through some very fun exercises dancing to soul and soul-adjacent music.
Yeah. In the end, I would say we forced ourselves to break out of some of our patterns by adding some new restrictions to where we could be in relationship to our partner and within the confines of the space. We also messed up our usual sort of ways of dancing by switching around the music. And sort of once we had fully broken ourselves down, we attempted to bring ourselves back up again and take that experience and bring it into our Lindy Hop and see what came of it. I don't think we said this explicitly in class, but it was really cool to watch. Like, y'all did very cool stuff.
Where you ended up was
Yeah.
pretty fantastic. So keep exploring those avenues.
Yeah.
Otherwise, you just had to be there.
Yeah.
Bye.